Okay, we are live.
We're live?
Yep.
Hello all and welcome to the inaugural match of Full Metal Trivia. Guys, we made it! Our very first episode. I'm your host for tonight, Chance the Titan Ellison, and today we have the debut match of our new format of group trivia. With me, my co-host for this match, Sandy the Stunner Robinson. Sandy, how you doing, buddy? How you feel?
Chance, I'm doing good, man. How about you? It's so exciting to be part of this right now. I think we're going to have a really great match tonight.
So exciting, and I agree. And also, my third co-host, he's going to be working camera tonight, producer right now, Mark the Canadian Nightmare Boric. Mark, how you feeling, buddy?
Very excited to kick this off. Let's rock the house and prepare the excitement for the Star Wars trailer to come hopefully after this round's done.
Hopefully. We can only hope. All right, but you're not here to see us talk. You're here to get into these panels. We have a stacked docket right now. Alex, first competitor, Alex, the Omega Worden. Alex, how you feeling about the game?
Oh, I could not be happier to be here. This is my arena, and I will prove it night one.
I certainly hope so. Also joining us, you may recognize him from his appearances on Movie Battleground and as a co-host of There Will Be Trivia, Andrew the Dude Hayes. Dude.
Oh, yeah, I'm very excited. You know, I love competing, so I'm just here to have some fun, man.
All right. Right on, right on. Brooklyn Vail. Sorry, I don't know your nickname. You want to give me a nickname right now? You got a nickname that you want me to use for you?
I think I have the Freak, but I could I'm up for anything pretty well.
How about Brooke Killen? Brooke Killen?
Oh, sure.
We got Brooke killing him. Next we got CDub himself, Chris Woodburn. Chris, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Collider, motherfucker.
I love your enthusiasm. Also, we have another member of our admin team, our head question writer for our league and many others, I'm sure, Jeremy the Adam Adams.
Hello, guys. So glad to be
here.
here. I am very excited. This is awesome. It's just weird to be answering questions on my first match and not asking them. But I'm trying to get used to it. It's going to be fun.
We had to put you in the hot seat this time, but it's all good. Yep. We're going to have fun. Also here, we got, representing the French Connection, Kevin Laniel. Kevin, you excited to be here, buddy?
Very, very excited, guys. It is I, your friendly neighborhood Kevin. And remember, guys, that if you can do good things for others, it is your moral responsibility to do those things. That's what's at stake here. Not choices, responsibility.
Thank you, Martin Sheen, for Amazing Spider-Man. And finally, rounding out the panel, we got Jim the Wolf Green. Jim, what's going through your mind right now, baby?
Woo!
All right. Short and sweet. I like it. Just a yell. I can deal with that. All right. Well, since we're all introduced ourselves, let's get into the fight. All right. Someone's got background noise. I don't know who it is. All right. So here's how it's gonna go. We got 3 rounds coming up. Strong survive, and we'll only have 1 player to rule them all. All right. So round 1's gonna work like this. Whiteboard round. 8 questions, answer with the whiteboard. We'll call on you to reveal your answer and say it as you reveal. But keep in mind this, only the top 5 will advance to round 2. And the player in the lead after this first round will get an advantage going into round 2. So, panel, you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's do it.
All right. Then, let's get into it and find out who is the one player to rule them all.
Woo!
All right, questions tonight are courtesy of me and Thomas Eanes. 1. In the category of new releases, what actor starred in both A Cure for Wellness and Valerian and the City of a Thousand Planets? Did you see that Valerian, Sandy?
I haven't yet.
It's pretty. I can say that. It's very pretty.
5, 4,
Spelling doesn't count, right?
3,
Yeah, I hope not.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
Good, because I completely butchered the spelling of his last name.
Could you repeat that question?
Did you get him to repeat him? I'll give him the repeat.
Yes.
Okay, what actor starred in both A Cure for Wellness and City of a Thousand Planets?
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pens down.
Okay, I'm going to Alex. What do you got?
That would be Dane DeHaan, the worst Harry Osborn.
Well, there's only 2, so it's one or the other. But that's correct. Dude, what do you got?
I also put Dan DeHaan.
I want to see how many different spellings we have in this question, but that is correct. Brooklyn.
I couldn't think of his name, but
What?
Okay.
Whiteboard?
oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, I had nothing.
Okay, nothing. Okay, that's fine. Woodburn.
Dane DeHaan.
That is correct. No, wait. I'm sorry. You have Chris Dane DeHaan. That is incorrect. I'm sorry. No points for you.
He lost a Sharpie point.
Jeremy.
Dane DeHaan.
Kevin.
Jeremy.
You're a fraud, Spider-Man. Dane DeHaan.
That is sad but true. And Jim Green.
I couldn't remember Dane DeHaan, so I just put Cara Delevingne. I knew it was Harry Osborn. I just couldn't remember his name.
She'd be a better Harry probably.
He can't act, so I have to disagree there.
Nah.
Okay.
She'd be better to look at.
Question.
Hold on. Did Brooklyn get it right?
Brooklyn did not get it right.
No.
I was about to ask. You got a score, right, Sandy?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Question 2 in the category of comedy. In The Big Lebowski, the line "It really tied the room together" was in reference to what? One of my all-time favorites.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
I call bullshit on this question for Andrew being in the match.
I forgot he was here. I forgot he was here.
3.
I still got it.
Could you repeat that question?
Oh,
I think someone.
I heard it
Yeah.
repeat. Yeah, I heard it repeat. Okay, in The Big Lebowski, really tied the room together was in reference to what?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down.
All right, Alex, what do you got?
It's pissed on my fucking rug, man. A rug.
That is, yes, the rug. Dude, you better have this or I'm kicking you off this game.
Yeah, you're out.
It is a rug.
I mean, he's in.
That is the rug. Yes, correct. Brooklyn.
Complete guess. The table.
Oh. But no, it's not the table. Woodburn.
A rug.
That is correct. Jeremy.
Rug.
That is correct. Kevin.
Oh, I never watched a movie, but I wrote a rug.
I'm impressed.
Totally.
And Jim.
Nothing. I didn't get anything.
You have it? All right. Moving on to question 3. In the 1996 drama... Oh, wait, the category is drama. I forgot to say that. In the 1996 drama Sleepers... I hear some noise. 2 gangsters are on trial for murdering a corrupt juvenile care facility guard, Sean Noakes. Who played Sean Noakes?
What movie was it?
Sleepers.
Put the kids to bed.
Nathan, can you hand me that?
5, 4,
Thank you.
3, 2, and 1. Pens down.
I'm impressed. Okay. Alex, what do you got?
A Kevin Bacon.
That is correct. Andrew.
Put anything.
Okay. Brooklyn.
Complete guess again. Gary Oldman.
That's a solid guess. Woodburn?
Kevin Bacon.
Correct. I almost said Mark, but he's not playing. Jeremy?
Mr. 6 Degrees, Kevin Bacon.
All right. Kevin?
I can't believe I missed a Kevin question, but I couldn't pull it out.
Ah, Kevin. All right. And Jim?
I didn't get anything. Nope.
All right.
Can we get a score, Kevin? After 3 questions, I guess?
No,
We'll get
leave it to the end of the
four.
round.
Yeah, scorecard at the 4. Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Question 4 in the category of animated. How many films are there in the Shrek franchise?
Can you repeat that,
Yes,
please?
a question I know.
An animated one, you know, Woodburn.
Animated. Animated.
Yes.
How many films are there in the Shrek franchise?
Oh, okay. That was a lot easier than I anticipated.
Thank you. You didn't burn me this time. Animation.
Is Shrek love? Is it life, Sandy?
3, 2, and
Nodding
1.
yes.
Down.
Right. Alex.
4.
Incorrect.
What?
Andrew.
That would be 4.
No, it is not 4.
What in the world?
Oh, okay.
Brooklyn.
Right, yeah.
What do you got?
All right.
Oh, I see what you did. Damn it.
Brooklyn, you got it?
You
I also put 4, but I realized now what the 5th was.
Woodburn.
What's the 5th?
You gotta slow,
Puss in Boots. Oh,
Freaking Puss in Boots, yeah.
that's a challenge.
Oh, and the Shrek.
Yeah.
Right.
I kind of want
that
to
shouldn't
challenge
count.
that, too.
That shouldn't count.
It is,
It's a
listed as part of the Shrek franchise.
I also
It is
challenge.
listed as part of the Shrek franchise.
That's a.
I double checked.
It's a side.
double
It's a
checked this
side
answer.
goal.
I double checked this answer. It is part of the Shrek franchise. It qualifies.
Yeah, you can challenge it.
Yeah.
Just like, hey, would you say Lego Batman and the Lego Movie are part of the same franchise?
Yes.
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 So then Puss in Boots and Shrek are part of the same franchise.
Yeah.
So that question,
Not
I double
Shrek.
checked.
Shrek,
Yeah, he didn't-
Shrek isn't in
didn't ask
it.
how
It
many
doesn't have
Shrek
Shrek in the
movies,
title.
he asked how many Shrek
I did not
franchises.
ask how many Shrek movies. I asked how many movies in the Shrek franchise, which the answer is 5.
You always pull the
Kevin?
scrap chance. You always do it.
Kevin, what's your...
What'd you get?
Well, I wrote 4 with a 5th one coming, but yeah, there's also Puss in Boots.
Puss in Boots. And Jim?
Oh, I got it wrong because of that bullshit.
Yeah, we all did.
Fair.
Hey, I did not ask for how many Shrek films, how many films in
Well,
the franchise.
I still would like to get Mark and Sandy's ruling, but I'm not trying to slow things down. But
It's 5.
It's
Okay.
pretty much either we all get a point or we all don't get a point.
yeah,
So.
that's okay.
I know.
All right.
I mean,
I agree with Chance. I'm on Chance's side here.
Okay.
And it's so weird because I'm going to go the other way because I want to take
Okay.
Real
We
quick,
got two.
I
We got two.
Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Let's keep
Let's
this
move on.
going.
Let's move on. All right. Do you want to score check now or do you want to wait till after the round?
Let's wait till the end of the round. Let's keep this going.
All right. All right. Question 5 in the category of crime. In what film will you find the characters Tuna, Derek for Real, and Boston George?
can you say that again, please?
Yeah. Someone's got background noise. I don't know who it is.
Yeah, guys, whoever has the background noise with kids, please try to avoid it.
Guys, can you go out of the room, please? I'm sorry.
It's
me,
Jeremy.
sorry.
Okay. It's okay. All right.
That's the one who asked us to.
Question 5 in the category of crime.
Sorry.
In what film will you find the characters Tuna, Derek for Real, and Boston George? I met a
what
guy
was
named
that
Boston
last
George once.
character
He was
again?
not
Boston George.
Boston George. I met a guy named Boston George once. He was not a very reputable man.
5, 4,
Trust a man with a city in his name.
2, and 1. Pens down, everybody.
Alex.
Blank.
Andrew.
I took a guess and put Public Enemy.
That's a good guess for reasons I will say later. Brooklyn.
I put Swordfish.
No, that's incorrect.
Yes.
Woodburn.
I took
Woodburn.
a guess. Goodfellas.
Incorrect. Jeremy.
No idea. I guessed and said knock around guys.
Nope. Not Thomas. Kevin.
I just guessed a movie set in Boston with The Departed.
Nope, it's not it. And Jim?
I guess The Departed as well.
Ha! Like you.
The answer is Blow.
Okay.
No.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Okay, yeah,
Which
okay.
is why, Andrew, you were the closest. You had the right actor, but wrong movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, question 6 in the category of classics. We learned that the rain in Spain falls mostly in the plain in what classic film?
Oh, can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, we learned that the rain in Spain falls mostly in the plain. Classic film.
Did anybody get that? He broke up a lot there.
The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plains is from what classic film?
5, 4, 3.
I feel like you have this, Jeremy.
Can
You
you
better
repeat
have
one
this.
more time?
I may have this one.
One more time? Okay. We learned that the rain in Spain falls mostly in the plain. Film. Please don't make me say that again.
Isn't it mainly on the plain?
No, you're fine. I just wanted to change my answer, and I just needed a few seconds. I'm good.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Alex?
My Fair Lady.
That is correct. Dude.
I took a wild guess and put West Side Story.
Ooh, no.
Yes.
Brooklyn?
But It's a Wonderful Life.
No, never mind. Woodburn?
Woodburn.
Chris.
My Fair Lady.
That is correct. Jeremy?
All that talk and I had it wrong. I said Sound of Music. I was thinking the Do Re Mi.
Hey guys, I just want to make you guys aware we're 8 seconds away from halftime.
Oh, crap. Well, we can see it after. Kevin?
I wrote the classic movie Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
Nice.
I'm sure that was a line in the movie. I'm sure that was a line in the movie. And Jim?
I put Gone with the Wind. I had no fucking idea. I just guessed an old ass movie.
Yeah. All right. Question 7 in the category of horror thriller. In an uncharacteristic role, Robin Williams plays a mentally unstable photo developer whose obsession with a family reaches dangerous heights in what horror film? Horror thriller, not horror film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You do?
I do.
This is a very underrated movie in its film.
Oh, yeah, no.
People don't talk about it as much.
I like it.
Can you repeat it one more time, please?
Yeah. In an uncharacteristic role, Robin Williams plays a mentally unstable photo developer whose obsession with a family reaches dangerous heights. Thriller.
Oh, I'm wrong. I know it. But-
You know it. Put it down.
4, 3, 2, 1. Pens down.
All right, Alex.
1 hour photo.
That is correct.
Got it.
I was wrong. I put Insomnia.
Good guess.
Good guess. Good guess. Brooklyn.
We're finally on the board. 1 hour photo.
Woo!
Nice.
All right, Brooklyn. Woodburn.
1 hour photo.
Correct. Jeremy.
1 hour photo.
Correct. Kevin.
1 hour photo.
Nice.
And Jim.
Nothing.
Oh, Jim.
The next ones are yours, Jim. I can feel it.
All right.
The last one. The next one.
The last question in round 1.
2 hour photo.
The last question of round 1. Kevin's favorite.
Yes.
2 men enter, 1 man leaves is a quote from what post-apocalyptic action movie?
Yes.
And I know this one.
I've been in a competition like this, Sandy. I call it a good Friday night.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. 2 men enter, 1 man leaves is a quote from what post-apocalyptic action movie?
5, 4, 3, 2, and pens down.
Just a forewarning, Jeremy, you may not like me after you hear the answer.
Oh, I might.
Alex.
Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome.
Yep, that is correct. Dude.
I don't know why I thought of this movie, but I put The Maze Runner.
Post-apocalyptic, eh?
I kind of want to boot you just for saying that. Brooke.
I wouldn't blame you.
I put Mad Max. I'm not sure if that's too vague.
No, it's not the right movie.
It's not the right Mad Max movie.
Yeah.
Woodburn.
Woodburn.
I'm not watching it, but the trailer is on TV right now. Mad Max.
That's
All right.
Thunderdome.
Oh, there you go.
Chris, Mad Max is correct. Jeremy.
Do I redeem myself, Chance? Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome?
There it is.
Have I redeemed my Mad Max cred?
I think so. I'll give you Mad Max.
Thank you.
All right, Kevin.
I knew it was Mad Max. I couldn't tell which one. I didn't write anything. I think.
Ooh.
Same.
And Jim.
I put just Mad Max.
Jim's so close.
All right, so that is the end of round 1. Sandy, give us our scores, buddy.
You don't have to say my score.
So,
Can't hear you, Sandy.
all right, sorry. Alex has got 6. Andrew has 2. Brooke has got 1.
Yes.
Jeremy has got 5. Kevin got 3. Jim, unfortunately, with the goose. And Woodburn with a tie for the lead with 6.
Good job, Woodburn.
Ooh, we got 2 tied for the lead. Okay. Well, unfortunately, who are our 2 lowest?
We got Brooklyn and Jim are our 2 lowest.
Jim, Brooklyn, I'm sorry, but you guys are eliminated. Round of applause.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
All right. And now we move on into round 2. Round 2, I like to call the lottery round. What each of you are going to do, you're going to pick a number and 8. Lead. You will get to pick a second number. And at the end of all the picking, there will be 1 outlier. If it lands on the outlier, then that is the secret category, which Thomas wrote, and it's honestly one of my favorites we've ever done.
Awesome.
Starting with Alex, you're in the lead, so pick 2 numbers between 1 and 8.
Give me 4 and 6.
Okay. Woodburn, you are also in the lead, so you go ahead.
Okay. 3 and 8.
All right. Who's next? Jeremy?
Yes. I'll take
All right,
7.
Jeremy? 7?
7.
Okay. Who's next down the list?
The next one would be Kevin with 3.
Kevin.
Number 2.
And then
Okay. And then Andrew.
What am I? What can I pick from 1 to what?
You get 1.
5.
Yep.
I'll take 1.
1? Okay. So I have a random counter that will go from 1 to 8. If it lands on 5, you guys get the secret category.
All right.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not. The number is 1.
Whoa, number 1.
Oh.
Andrew.
All right, so Andrew, you get to pick the category for round 2.
Awesome. What are my choices?
Okay, your options are sci-fi fantasy, Disney, 80s, war films, horror, or Nicolas Cage. But before you pick, I will tell you, rule, if you pick the secret category, points for everyone.
Ooh.
Oh.
It's
That's a
Nicolas
wrinkle I didn't know
Cage.
It's new.
Well, I'm gonna go with the Disney category. I'm gonna go with the one that I think I know the best.
Yes.
Okay.
I love you, my friend. I love
All
you.
right.
What do you think?
We're going Disney. All right, let's do it. So you'll get 4 questions.
Alex's favorite.
At the end of this, the top 3 players. 3. All right. So question 1, the category of Disney. What famous actor voiced the role of Copper in The Fox and the Hound?
I love you, Chance. Love you.
The saddest Disney movie ever.
Maybe
Really?
the saddest movie ever. Period.
Underrated
God, I cannot get through that movie. It just destroys me.
Bambi's mom. Do we forget Bambi's mom literally got shot in the face?
Fuck Bambi.
They're friends and they can't be together. Life keeps them apart. They're best friends.
Sandy, you got counter, right?
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pens down.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had a
Alex?
question. I have a question. Is
What?
it adult or kid? Okay, thank God. All right, making sure. Sorry.
Okay, Alex. Alex got nothing. Dude,
I couldn't pull it. I'm gonna be so mad when I find out the answer.
Woodburn.
But
I
what you
got nothing.
Poor Woodburn.
Woodburn's got nothing.
And
Jeremy.
Kurt Russell.
Oh,
Oh,
The
jeez.
child to show off the kid version. Corey Feldman.
Yep. And Kevin.
No, nothing. Those
Shit.
movies.
All right. Question 2 in round 2. In 2017's Beauty and the Beast, the character Cadenza was transformed into what object? You ever been turned into an object, Sandy?
Yeah, it was.
can you repeat it, please?
All right. In 2017's Beauty and the Beast, the character Cadenza was transformed into what object?
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pens down.
Alex.
Going with the pun answer, credenza.
Incorrect. Dude.
I put a desk. I couldn't pull it.
Incorrect. Woodburn.
Candle?
Nope. It was not the candlestick. Up in the air. Jeremy.
Is it an organ? Like a piano? An organ?
It's a
Oh,
piano.
come on.
I don't know if I can give him organ. Because organ's something else.
No,
Yeah,
no,
that-
it's a piano with keys.
Organ was
No,
maestro.
an organ is
In the
completely different.
animated
Oh,
movie.
good.
An organ
Oh,
is
it's
not
a-
the
Yeah,
same
an
thing as a
organ.
piano.
An organ has like pipes coming out of the back of it, and he's just like a.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
Jeremy.
Jeremy.
Alright.
I can't give you organ.
Okay. I was gonna put piano. I should have put it.
Nah,
Yeah, I had
just guessed
piano.
wardrobe.
I had piano written too.
All right.
Sorry, what did Kevin have?
Question 3.
Sorry? What was that?
Nobody had it. Nobody had it.
Nobody had it. Yeah.
I had piano
The
written
answer
too.
was
I'm so
piano.
mad.
Okay,
I thought he had tubes coming out. Ah, what do I know?
All right, move
No, he did
on.
not. He was a piano.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, Alex. In Fantasia, Night on Bald Mountain, what is the name of the evil entity that sits atop the mountain?
Oh,
My memory
I
is
am-
not being a friend right now.
I am totally
I'm
butchering the
conducting the
spelling.
size.
5,
I'm very curious to see what it
have-
says.
4,
Repeat the question, please.
Okay. In Fantasia, in Night on Bald Mountain, what is the name of the evil entity top of the mountain?
Oh man.
5,
I love Fantasia.
4, 3,
We know Chance.
Oh my God. The frickin' repeat saved me. I can't believe it. Woo!
Pens down, everybody.
Oh my God.
Alex.
Total guess, Mephistopheles.
No. I want your thought process on that. We'll get to that later. But that is incorrect. Andrew.
I believe this is how you say it's Chernobog.
Oh,
Correct. Mestopolis. All right, Woodburn.
Nothing.
Woodburn.
Okay.
Jeremy.
My almost 40-year-old memory almost failed me, and then it came through at the last second. Chernobog. Woo!
And
Oh my God.
Kevin.
I just wrote a random name. I wrote Garganzel. That's how I name it.
Garganzel.
Garganzel.
Still a better guess than Mestopolis.
I said
That's a
Mephistopheles.
good guess. He's basically the devil. I mean,
I said Mephistopheles.
yeah, I
but-
said
Mephistopheles.
Mephistopheles. That's a name for the devil.
Oh wait, that's right. I forgot. I don't know mythology very well.
Yeah.
Okay, and your last question, the category of Disney. What live-action Disney movie currently holds the record for highest budget in film history? And not adjusted for inflation.
Can you repeat that again, please?
Okay, so unadjusted for inflation, what live-action Disney movie currently holds the record for highest production budget in film history?
Like how much money they spent or how much
Yeah.
money they made?
How much they spent?
How much they spent? How much they
Yeah.
spent?
Spent? All right.
For a live action Disney movie?
Yeah.
Yes.
Three,
Not just live-action Disney movies, like movie in history.
1, hands down.
This question is evil, Chan.
Alex.
Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides, the fourth one.
Incorrect.
No.
Incorrect. Andrew.
I took a wild guess and put Beauty and the Beast.
Is
No,
nobody
that's
but Jimmy
incorrect.
going to get this?
Probably
Okay,
not. Probably
so-
not.
Woodburn.
Jungle Book?
No, that's incorrect.
Before Jeremy answers, is it John Carter?
Nope.
It is not John Carter.
It's not John Carter. I thought it
Nope.
was
No,
John
it's
Carter.
Jeremy.
This was a heck of a chore to write, but Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales.
No! Incorrect!
What?
What?
Oh my God!
That's wrong.
And Kevin.
No one got
I
it.
really thought it was John Carter. I really thought it was John
No,
Carter.
you were close. It's Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End.
Oh,
Really?
Oh,
$378 million for
dang it.
Fuck.
Isn't
That
that
was
Wait.
about as long
Wow.
as Blade Runner.
I challenge that. I challenge that because that was produced and shot the same time as the second film. So the budgets were combined.
Stranger Tides is the fourth,
Double
but you
check.
guessed the fourth one.
I double checked.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I think they separated the budgets, Alex.
They did
All
separate,
right.
separate the budgets. I double checked it. They did separate the budgets.
Okay.
Pirates 2 had a much smaller budget. All right, so Sandy, after round 3, what are our scores?
Oh, it's a bloodbath here, guys. In Alex, 0.
Do we get total scores or just
What,
that
no,
round?
overall.
Yeah, we need total scores.
Overall
Sandy.
scores.
Sorry, yeah, no, okay, no problem. Okay, so Alex still with 6. Andrew had 2 in the first round and 1 in this round, so he goes to 3. Woodburn got 0 in that round, but 6 in the previous round, so he stays at 6. And then we've got Jeremy, who had 5 in the last round, but got 2 more in this round, so he comes into the lead with 7.
Woohoo!
And Kevin didn't get
Yeah,
any
he stays
this
as
round,
3.
but he has 3 from the previous round. We do have a tie for second and third place.
That doesn't
Okay, wait,
matter.
hold on. We have 2 with 6, and we have Jeremy lead with 7, right?
We got,
Yeah.
We got 7, 2 6s.
We still have our top 3, so
Yep.
Dude, Woodburn's still in. Dude and Kevin, you guys are eliminated.
Well, I wanted to make it to round 2.
You
So I'm
guys,
proud of myself.
Good job.
great efforts. But round 2 can
Yes.
screw round 2 can be your ascent or your downfall. And
yeah.
we just
Yeah,
we just
it's
saw that.
anyone's game.
I shall be back, gentlemen. I shall be back.
And just so you know, all
Now
the
we
points
do.
all the points you scored will go toward your tally too. We keep tally points, so
Excellent.
Yes, you
going
are.
over,
All
yeah,
points, we
round
kept
2.
track of rankings.
Yes.
All right, so now
Great
we
game,
advance to round 3, where points are out the window. It is last man standing. We have a series of 8 questions. The second you miss, you're out. All right, so Woodburn, Jeremy, you guys ready to go?
We're ready.
Do it.
Quick question.
Yeah.
So if they all three miss, then it just keeps going, right?
It keeps going.
Yeah, all 3 minutes we keep going. All right. Question 1. Category: romantic comedies. In which film will you find Woody Allen pining over Diane Keaton after having just broken up with a teenage girl played by Muriel Hemingway?
Oh shit! Oh crap! Come on! Remember it.
Those are both the wrong answers.
My personal opinion here: the best opening sequence of any film.
4, 3, 2, and.
Can you repeat that, please?
All right, give me. Hold on.
Shit! Come on! What the hell's the name?
All right, romantic comedies. In which film will you find Woody Allen pining over Diane Keaton after having just broken up with a teenage girl played by Muriel Hemingway?
5, 4, 3, 2, and pens down.
Alex?
Annie Hall.
Oh!
Incorrect. Alex eliminated.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Woodburn.
Potentially eliminated.
Woodburn.
I couldn't fucking remember it.
Yes. Jeremy.
G Manhattan.
And our very first winner.
Down goes Frasier. Down goes Frasier.
Jeremy.
God freaking bless you, Disney. Woo! Can't believe it.
Jeremy, you're welcome.
I thought it was Andy Alford.
If you are in a match with Jeremy, you do not pick Disney.
I will.
Omega, this feud just kicked into overdrive.
Oh yeah, we have some big feuds coming. Omega v. Adam. And Alex has just walked out. Jeremy, congratulations.
Thank you.
How does it feel being the very first winner of Full Metal Trivia?
I don't know what's going on. I'm like, I've had so many like rough patches in the past, but this week I can't lose. This is like my third win in like 2 days in these different leagues. So I feel good, man.
To be fair, I thought it was Andy Hall as well, by the way.
It's either one of those two. Well, congratulations, Jeremy.
Thank you. Everyone, awesome job. You guys are great competitors.
Yes, thank you to all our panelists on today. We thank you for being on our very first match, and we hope you come back very soon.
I'll be AFK for a while, but you know I'll be around-ish.
Sandy, any words? Well, let's go to my co-host, Mark, producer.
Oh yeah, no, that was a really fun and really entertaining way to kick off Full Metal Trivia. Thank you to everyone.
Great way to kick it off.
Yeah. Thank you to everyone competing. I think we've got 5 viewers on YouTube. Thanks for watching us. And I hope you liked it. There's going to be a lot more of this to entertain yourself.
Does everyone like the format?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's good.
All right,
It's fun,
Sandy.
isn't it?
Sandy, any words you have?
Hey, I just want to thank everybody for playing, and you guys all did great. Those were some tough questions, but you know what? You guys hung in there. You answered. You did your best. I'm really proud of everybody. I'm proud of my the min team here. I know Alex is upset that somebody picked Disney. I would have been.
Andrew, what were you thinking?
Hey, listen.
He was thinking Team Adams. What he was thinking.
Yeah, and I just want to thank.
Alex isn't the only one mad about Disney.
Woodburn.
Sorry, Woodburn. I'm so sorry.
But yeah, I hope you guys all come back. We're gonna try to get as many matches in as possible, and you know, it's fun to really start this thing up and have it rock as well as it did today.
And on the note of as many matches as possible, we're going to be back in 20 minutes with match number 2 of the night. Jeremy and I will be hosting this one, and we got some surprises in store for y'all. Stay tuned. The new link will be up in about 20 minutes.
All right, and from me, your host and your master of games, I just want to say thank you for joining us, and there's so much more fun to come. I hope you guys stick around. From the Titan, from my admin team, thank you, and take care.
like and subscribe to us on Facebook, and definitely check us out on YouTube. Subscribe, comment, everything like that. Thank you. Take care. Good night. See you guys in 20 minutes.